Welcome back. After driving through the adventures in Germany, we are now approaching Helsinki. 31 hours on the ferry are behind me, and it's time to head north. In this part, I'll be talking about driving with biogas, so if that doesn't interest you, feel free to skip ahead. The car already had a new LS1 engine from the previous owner.
Alright, arrived to Helsinki and taking some CNG.
I had a biogas system installed in my car over 4 years ago. And the biogas tank now takes up all the trunk space.
So, with this gas, I can halve the gasoline prices, which is nice. But I'm tanking now from this Gasum, and they have a nice app nowadays where you can find the stations and navigate directly, but I have trouble in Germany with it. There was a website that I used that was now failing a little. It's super difficult to navigate to the next station. There was one app and it's not working anymore, so it's difficult. And with Google on this trip, it took me first to a wrong station. They didn't have any CNG or biogas, and then it said that the station is open, and I think I lost almost 1 hour, and that's why I almost missed the schedule to the ferry. So that sucks totally. Like the infrastructure should be smooth if you want to use these things. In Finland, the Gasum now started to sell only biogas, which means basically there's only biogas sold in Finland, no more this air gas or CNG, whatever it's this Putin's gas. So the weird thing is that they still define the gas cars based on the dirtier gas, not the non-biogas, and that's why cars that use gas are not considered as green as they actually are. Since driving with the biogas, I guess this car is, it is a green car, but as you maybe see in the sun, it is green. But with the biogas, it's truly green and better than any electric car. I would even argue this car is 52 years old. It's a recycle masterpiece. Oh, catastrophe! But yeah, it's green car. It doesn't pollute. There's no particles, only carbon dioxide. And when you burn methane, it was I guess 24 times worse greenhouse gas. So when I burn it, I'm actually doing a favor to the world. So I think we should just recycle more of the trash and turn it into biogas, and then we can drive our cars with shit and it's clean. Yay! Just make the infrastructure nice. So yeah. More later on the wonders of this car. You can peek, maybe you see the dashboard. It's pretty much a prototype. I was planning to have it ready for this trip, but no. But on my other channel, where I do the projects, I will have videos about that. There's thousands of pictures of the different prototypes, and now it starts to get somewhere. And all these parts for the car I make in my workshop, and was planning to offer this as part of my business. It didn't work out, and the reason was that the German law is crazy.
The car also has a regular fuel tank, so I can switch between gas and petrol. In Finland, the government supports biogas conversions with the €1,000 grant, but despite this, the popularity hasn't really taken off. In fact, it feels like biogas has been mostly forgotten. A big part of the problem is the EU's intense focus on electric cars, leading many car manufacturers to abandon biogas options. Do me a favor, like and subscribe.
Now it's a proper place to get some gas from cows.
Thanks for joining me on this journey so far and for letting me share a bit about driving on biogas. In the next and final video, I'll finally arrive in the Arctic and explain why building a business in Germany just wasn't possible for me. But more importantly, I'm excited to share that I've found a solution to living between these two countries, and I'll be revealing that what comes next. So stay tuned, and I look forward to having you with me for this new beginning.